So the tip today is going to be better for setting your shoulders down and back with your elbows in close with any sort of push-up variation, either on a bar or grind straps. And the idea is to focus on contracting your lower traps when you come down into push position, or keeping tension in your lower traps to improve your shoulder stability. You see, when those lower traps are not doing quite their job, what ends up happening is the shoulders come up and forward like this. I'm exaggerating a bit, but if you ever did push-ups and you thought, oh, I feel it so much in my shoulders, or it's hard on my wrists, you look at my elbow flaring out like that, or I don't feel it in my chest, this is one of the reasons why, is those lower traps aren't working to pull the shoulders down and back. Practice it on an easy incline to kind of get the idea and feel that stability in your back. It's not arching the back, it's just getting a little bit of motion in those lower traps. Also apply this to your dips and any sort of other pushing movements that are near towards the floor, like crawling. Give it a try. Let me know if you have questions down below in the comment section. And if you want to learn more about grind style calisthenics and my other push-up tips, check out these videos here. Subscribe here if you're new to the channel, because I come out with tip videos like this every single week as well. Talk to you in the next video. Be fit, live free.